Start. Sir, so much has been talked about the consolidation of holdings. I have read a chapter about the consolidation of holdings, but in practical effect, what result has come out of it, I can not say. It is only on paper. My friend has been talking about cooperative farming experiments have been done in this country. I do not know. I want to hear from the Honorable Minister to tell to what extent that has been successful. If that is successful, I will be the first person to support it. I do not want to go on philosophizing on this matter. I am an agriculturist myself. I was a large landholder and a major portion of my land have been distributed. The tenants have become owners and I have hold only the ceiling acreage of land. I am trying to do my cultivation on that. After the implementation of the act, whether it is today or tomorrow or 2 years hence, where will be the large holders? My point is that everything has to be done for the consolidation of holdings and for providing sufficient impetus not only by way of providing inputs but also by way of organizing proper research, extension, and development services. It has not been done in the case of some of the commercial crops. You carry to them the fruit of research and development, then while distributing the surplus land another difficulty comes in. Now priorities have been laid down as to how the surplus land is to be distributed. If there is a 3-acre uneconomic holding while distributing surplus land, you are not going to give another 1 acre to him to make it 4 acres and more economic. You are going to provide it to a person who has no land at all. You give him half an acre of land. The 3-acre man continues to be uneconomic and you create another more uneconomic holding by giving half an acre or 1 acre. If you decide on 10th standard acres, then you stick to it. According to me, a landholder must be in a position to go up to 10th standard acres. It is only then that he can provide a decent living for himself, educate his children, and make them decent citizens comparable to the people in the urban areas. You calculate their annual income. Para. Sir, I want to say something about the dairy farming. I fail to understand what the policy of the government is with regard to dairy farming because in many of these ceiling laws you have not provided anything for them. If a person has to do dairy farming, he is unable to get anything more than your 10 acres. He has to be within the ceiling and at the same time he has to do dairy farming. What is the dairy farming that he can do? He can have two cows or one cow? Is that dairy farming? Is it proper planning? Stop. थैंक यू। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। वीडियो को लाइक और डिसलाइक अवश्य करें। कोई सुझाव और प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स को शेयर करें।